Welcome to Working with ChatGPT Work, an AIYING practical series. In this first episode, we explore how ChatGPT Work can transform source material into a finished, reviewable presentation, not merely provide a list of slide suggestions. Many users ask ChatGPT to give them 10 slides. They receive titles and bullet points, then still have to build the PowerPoint, create the visual hierarchy, write the narration, and check the story. ChatGPT helped, but the finished artifact still remained to be made. The essential shift is simple. A prompt asks for a response, while a work task delegates an outcome. The work task defines what must be accomplished, who will use it, which inputs are available, what constraints apply, what file must be delivered, and how quality will be judged. For AIYING, the need was practical. Convert a definitive blog post into a concise, branded, and narration-ready presentation for professionals and institutional leaders. The required outcome was not an outline. It was a presentation that could be reviewed, revised, and used for a briefing or YouTube video. The AIYING work pattern moves through 7 stages: need, task brief, context, work execution, artifact, human judgment, and improvement. Each stage reduces ambiguity and helps ChatGPT Work move from an initial intention to a usable result. The AIYING Work Canvas makes the task executable. Define the outcome and user. Supply the inputs. Specify the operations and constraints. Name the exact deliverable. State the quality test. Finally, identify the next real-world action after the artifact is completed. Task briefs can grow with the importance of the work. A starter task requests a clear deck from one article. A professional task adds audience, narrative, examples, design, and speaker notes. A strategic task combines multiple sources, verification, decision context, risks, and supporting artifacts. ChatGPT Work can research, synthesize, structure, format, and revise. The human defines the purpose, supplies context, verifies consequential claims, protects meaning, and approves the result. ChatGPT Work performs the work, but the human remains the owner of the outcome. TAJ provides the discipline for human collaboration. Think about the purpose, audience, and desired change. Ask through a complete task brief with adequate inputs and constraints. Judge the finished artifact for accuracy, relevance, completeness, usability, and readiness for action. The accomplishment score evaluates 5 dimensions: useful, accurate, relevant, complete, and actionable. Score each from 1 to 5. A polished deck is not automatically a successful outcome. It must serve the intended person and support a meaningful next action. This pattern applies widely. Teachers can create classroom decks, students seminar presentations, researchers conference briefings, consultants executive summaries, entrepreneurs pitch decks, trainers workshop materials, and content creators narrated videos. The subject changes. The work pattern remains reusable. Do not ask only what ChatGPT can produce. Ask what you can accomplish with ChatGPT Work. Move from feature to work pattern, from work pattern to finished artifact, from artifact to human judgment, and from judgment to real-world action. AIYING, accomplishing with AI.